Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 20th May 2021. In the international market, FOMC minutes released yesterday stated official hinted at reconsidering their easy policy. The central bank had hinted at reconsidering its easy policy if the economy continues to rapidly improve. In exact words, a number of participants suggested that if the economy continued to make rapid progress towards the committee's goals, it might be appropriate at some point in upcoming meetings to begin discussing a plan for adjusting the pace of asset purchases. This brought the fear back in investors' mind on reversal of easy monetary policy. US 10-year closed 4 basis points up at 168 percentage points and 30-year closed at 238 percentage points on Wednesday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $66.73 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is $66 to $70. The main reasons for crude oil fall were EIA reported an inventory build of 1.3 million barrels versus an expectation of 0.62 million barrel inventory build. Remember, Knight Research had exactly warned you on this inventory build issue when we took an exit at 65.80. As the economies are opening up, oil producing countries are increasing their supply, and at the same time, demand is overstated for now. We will continue to see such volatility, but crude will surely cross $70 per barrel, and we are now bullish on crude. Did you know that International Energy Agency IEA published a report on Tuesday with Net Zero by 2050 report that suggested that the world won't need any additional oil and gas projects beyond what is already approved as of this year, as world will gradually move towards green energy. In the currency market, dollar index DXY is at 90.14, today's range 89.89 to 90.32. Yesterday DXY did touch an intraday low of 89.68 but recovered swiftly. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 644. USD INR with a low of 72.93 closed near the day high at 73.18. As we said earlier also, USD INR is failing to close below 73, and this is a clear signal. USD INR's range for today seems to be 72.90 to 73.30. In the domestic market, the much awaited auction day is here. Rupees 35,000 crore second tranche of G-SAP 1.0 will be held an auction today. The available securities for today's auctions are 6/18/2024, 7/59/26, 6/79/27, 7/17/28, 5/85/2030, 5/95/32 and 6/22/35. Traders have bought 5/85/2030 for offloading in the auctions to RBI, as we have repeatedly discussed. If we do the scenario analysis, if the cutoff for 5/85/2030 is around 596 along with 9,000 crore plus acceptance, it's a positive sign. Markets will rally for another 3-4 basis points but unlikely to close below 595. If the cutoff for 585 GS 2030 is above 601 along with rupees 5,000 crore or less acceptance, it's a negative sign. Markets will fall when traders start booking profits, and 601 is also possible. The real hero of today's auction will be 6/22/2035. 5/63/2026 closed at 556 versus 555 the previous trading day. 585 GS 2030 closed at 597 versus 597 the previous trading day. 19th May 2021 T-bill auction cutoffs: 91-day T-bill cutoff at 338, 182-day at 358 and 364 at 372. No major changes in the T-bill auction cutoffs. Knight Research range for 585/2030 today is 595 to 601. Watch out G-SAP auction cutoffs. Do not trade today until the auction cutoffs are out or the market is already down. That's it for today. You are listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.